This dog didn't like his tricks. This cat would be a great...
Simon. Thank you.
Little black, hang on. Oh gosh.
What an entertaining activity.